friends, welcome to Eat East Indian channel. Today we are keeping it super simple, making these Chinese style fried rice which make for excellent snack. They are great for lunchbox. So if you have some leftover rice from dinner last night, don't worry, make these Chinese style fried rice. They are really easy and quick to make. So for this recipe I'm using 1 cup of onions and we are sauteing them in some hot oil. Give them a quick mix, let them fry for 2 to 3 minutes, then add in 2 cups of veggies of your choice. I'm just using frozen veggies, so carrots, peas, beans, corn. That's what my kids like, so keeping it really simple. Give them a quick mix and then add in salt. When we add salt, the veggies cook a little faster. So after giving them a quick stir, we'll add in salt depending on your taste and quantity you're cooking. So for this recipe, I am cooking 2 cups of rice. So I've added 1 tablespoon of salt. You can always adjust salt at the end too. A little bit of black pepper that lends nice flavor, and then crack in 2 eggs. We are not going to thoroughly mix the eggs. We'll simply break them a little bit and then we add our rice. We want the rice to be coated a little bit with the eggs as well. That lends that nice flavor to your fried rice. So break them a little bit with your spatula. And before you mix them thoroughly, just add in rice. Now I have this plain basmati rice. I cooked them with a little bit of cumin seeds. So I have leftover rice that I'm adding in this wok. And cumin seeds add a very subtle flavor. So even if you don't have cumin flavored rice, that's okay. Your dish will still be great. Now we are mixing everything thoroughly so that rice are coated with the eggs. All the veggies are well mixed. And then add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Another quick mix. Allow the veggies to cook a little bit. Let rice soak in the flavor from the soy sauce. And that's it. So we can go fancy. We can add different kind of spices. You can use 5 spice. You can use fish oil or vinegar. But this recipe in itself is simple and easy. Now we are going to finish it off with green onions, and that's it. So once rice are well mixed, cooked nicely, after 3-4 minutes, consider the dish ready. Turn the heat off. Before serving it to your family, to your guests, just add chopped green onions, as much or as little as you want. So just sprinkling green onions on top, and that's it. Our dish is good to go. It's ready. So dig in. Give it a try in your own kitchen. Let me know how it turns out for you. And do subscribe to our channel, Eat East Indian. And keep watching our recipes. If you like them, please share it with friends and family. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.